Ataraxis exists to finally deliver on the promise of personalized medicine. And we've heard today a couple of ideas because there are a lot of problems with how to achieve that. One of the problems that you've heard earlier today is that there are not enough drugs to solve all the problems that we have. But actually, there are too many drugs in one way. You know, today when you're supposed to get a treatment, the way that you're picked a drug is that you're being compared to a group of patients. If you share similar characteristics to them, maybe you have similar age, your tumor is of similar size, or maybe even you have the same mutation, it doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to respond to the drug, even though that's the reason why you're getting matched to that drug. And that is the example that all of us know very well. My aunt, who is a stage 4 breast cancer patient, she has been over line of treatment after line of treatment, many of which didn't work very clearly. After just a few months, she had to switch to yet another drug, wasting a couple of months. And this is the problem that we are trying to solve at Ataraxis. The tumor biology is far too complex to just look at some basic clinical characteristics or even select genomic information. You need to take a lot of factors into consideration. We look at multimodal data and try to find those hidden patterns, those very subtle patterns that are very difficult to find either by physicians. And of course, this was only made possible in the last couple of years where new technologies, self-supervised learning, now we can throw a ton of data and find things that you didn't realize are there before. We have been working for the last couple of months with a lot of health systems to bring this technology as soon as possible to the clinic. In fact, later this year, we are going to have the very first real deployments prospectively with a select premier cancer centers, focus on breast cancer as the first indication that we're targeting. And we really deserve this. I think nobody is happy knowing that your treatment is, maybe it's not random, but when you're diagnosed with a life-threatening disease, you really want to take at least one piece of uncertainty out of the question. And what we are trying to take away is this uncertainty about which treatment is actually going to work for you. Thank you.